What is a brand personality and how can it impact your pitch deck content and design? Let's find out. So let's talk about brand personality frameworks and how you can use it to create better messaging for your presentations. Now, if you've never taken any training in branding or marketing before, you might be doubting yourself right now. How can you come up with a value statement if you're not a branding expert? And I'm here to tell you that you are a branding expert already. Every time you step out of your home and you talk to people, how you dress, how you speak, how you make people feel, that affects your brand, which is your reputation. And it's the same thing with your business as well. If you want to build a strong, meaningful relationship with your market, you need to help them see your brand personality. And your brand personality will also be about the appearance of your business, your marketing communication tools, how you talk to people, and how you make them feel when they are interacting with you and your business. So now the big question is, how do you want others to describe your professional and business brand? And that's really what is the purpose of branding, where you try to control that reputation. Now, the good news is you can follow proven frameworks that help you choose a brand personality. And one of the most common frameworks is the Dimensions of Brand Personality, developed by Jennifer Aker, an American behavioral scientist and professor at Stanford School of Business. Now, Jennifer found that people tend to attach human personalities to brands, and her research found that there are 5 distinct brand personalities that consumers associate with business brands. The first one is sincerity. This is the extent to which a brand is perceived as honest, friendly, and down to earth as well. Cheerful and friendly, original and wholesome. These are some words that fall under the sincerity category. And some of the common brands that fall under this category are usually family-oriented. They're friendly, wholesome, like Walt Disney, a Hallmark, or Dove soap. They try to use that sincerity brand personality. Now, the next one is excitement, and that's the extent to which a brand is seen as daring, spirited, and stimulating. It's young, imaginative, unique, and up-to-date. So when you think of these exciting brands, it could be like Tesla, Red Bull drinks, all their ads is about excitement. MTV Music, it's all about being young as well, and cool and daring. These brands fall under the excitement category. And then you have competence. Now, competence is about the extent to which the brand is seen as reliable, intelligent, and successful. And that's why you'll find that many of the corporate brands, for example, legal, finance, business, and government, a lot of them fall under that competence. So in this example, you can see brands like Volvo Cars can also be competent. They're going in for safety. Google, UPS, anything that's corporate and structure and wants to put that safety and leadership persona would fall under competence. And then you have sophistication. Now, sophistication is the extent to which a brand is seen as glamorous, upper class, and fashionable. It's also charming. It could also be feminine as well. So sophisticated brands would be something like BMW. It's known for being sophisticated. You've got Rolex watches. Anything associated with Rolex brand is sophistication. Even Apple. Apple likes to position itself as being good-looking products. All the products are young and good-looking from Apple as well. So it falls under that sophistication. And last but not least, you have that Ruggedness brand, which is more masculine, outdoorsy, rough, and something that is durable. So when you think of brands like that, you're going to be thinking of clothing like Timberland, which is very durable, Jeep that are meant to go off-road, or the clothing like Patagonia, which is meant to be outdoorsy and also protecting the environment. So now one of the first things you can do is pick a category that could represent your professional business solutions. So this is how you would start. And if you're not sure which one to pick, try to pick the one that will appeal to your buyers. Who are the people you want to be doing business with, and what is their personality? Because usually people are attracted to people who are like them. So if you're catering to a market in the rugged and outdoors, you definitely don't want to be using competence or maybe sophistication. That's not going to be appealing to them. So try to pick something that will appeal to your market. Now, in my case, I try to pick the Competence brand because I'm here to help my clients with consulting. I'm here to show them confidence, reliable leadership persona. So anytime I'm trying to portray something, I'm not here to really entertain, show sophistication or durability. I'm here to more for educational and consulting services. So that's why for my brand, I try to stick with the Competence. So now what about you? Can you remember how can you use your brand personality when you're coming up with your messaging and statements? And you're going to need this personality once you start working on your problem solution slides and for the rest of the deck. So selecting really brand personality can help you in two ways. Can you remember what they are? Number one could be that it'll help you attract and really connect with your teams, partners, and customers who resonate with you. So it's not only your market. If you pick that personality, it's also going to help you with your teams and anybody who's going to be doing with business with you, whether it's affiliates, vendors, or sponsors. People are usually attracted to people who are like them from a brand category. So your action item really for this video is to pick a brand personality for now, because you're going to be using it as a foundation as we start working on your messaging in the upcoming videos. So go ahead, pick one of these, and I'll see you in the next video.